Hi there, Bridget Mackay of the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. I work in the area of estate planning and elder law. And in our newsletter this quarter, we were talking about marriage, which leads me to a second subject on the subject of marriage, which is second marriages. And I get a lot of clients in here who are in their second marriages and are wondering if they do, what kind of planning they need to do and what kind of things they need to look for. So there are a few priorities for folks with a second marriage. The two main ones are caring for their spouse, yet also being able to care for their first family if they have children from that first marriage, no matter how the marriage ended. So when doing planning with those two goals in mind, some feel that those are competing goals, and I would say I think they are goals that can be met. It all just depends on age of child and what your asset classes are, what kind of assets you have. So you can take care of your first family and your current spouse by simply using what I call an AB trust, and that's a trust in which when the first spouse passes away, their share of the community property, any of their separate property that they had prior to the second marriage, is put in a trust that cannot be changed by the surviving spouse or their children's step-parent. That parent will be able to use, or that spouse will be able to use the income from that trust, and in limited circumstances go into the principal should they need it during their lifetime. This is a simple solution to this problem, but like I said, it all depends on your case and what kind of assets you have in your estate of whether this is the right solution for you. Regardless, if you are entering into a second marriage, it is pertinent that you go and see a qualified estate planner, because you want to get those ducks in a row and you want to protect that spouse and you want to protect your first family as well. So don't run to an attorney's office if you are entering into a second marriage or you've been in a second marriage and have no planning.